17 seconds to go in this first half of action.
I've been walking around with zero.
These dudes can really cause chaos anywhere within their reach.
Oh my god.
Don't make me look bad. Can I get Paul, please?
But it's like, I don't get it back. You know, the first
La perra loca. Miren la cara que tienen.
Barely a baby and already talking back, kids got a lot to learn.
Do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
They put their chin. They all want the kisses.
I'm working. That's it. Good job.
Came for a career networking, left with existential rejection.
Probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
She likes playing though.
He's not a cat anymore, he's a catfish now.
You little gymnast. You learning how to.
This machine is malfunctioning. Replace immediately.
dito. Yeah. Pass. Oh! He caught it, that's why!
Front brakes failed. Hit like to repair.
No way, Jose.
Give a cat something that moves to sit with.
Look at that. Now, what are you doing? Look at this.
Get there! Look at you, stuck.
My dog is pretty weird. Here he is using his snout to get water all over his.
One cat like this is already a handful. If I had another, it might just turn into a battlefield.
Come here, boo.
Hey!
Okay.
Puppy logic. If it squeaks, it's mine. If it doesn't, it's also mine.
Breath left. A pug can never be friends with a vet.
No. Okay. Now do this.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Would you like to explain what has
About the world's best gelato.
puppy breath?
Tag a friend who needs.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It was the last name.
What was the moment when you realized that you were adopted?
Let me have a small bite.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Good for you.
Oye, no.
Come on, look at that face.
Until it suddenly doesn't.
So I can play night.
Are we kidding?
Holy.
Watch.
If you feel watched, watch out for the neighbor's cat. They're the real spies.
Come.
Would you like to go? Ooh, that ear.
Sometimes attention doesn't just come to you, you have to fight for it. Just not this aggressively.
Yes, Pete. Pete. Pete.
Jumping jacks.
Off unless you want to provoke these guys and their massive egos.
Go lay down. Oh my god.
What?
Ooh.
Oh, that's huge. That was huge. Oh my God, you're good one.
Get down off the couch now.
True, litter is definitely meant for you, but definitely not for whatever this is. Someone needs to explain to him what TV is.
He's practicing his security skills before the baby arrives.
To you? No! Bella. What?
Tangled in the net? Exactly, him.
Tudo é esse, menino? Meu pai tudo certo.
We can easily guess who the real boss.
Talvez ele não seja o dono do restaurante, mas ninguém ousou tirá-lo dali. Por um momento, ele virou o chefe.
Does she realize there's one next to her? Look at her. She's not happy.
Let go.
Bruh.
Oh. If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
Place of chiefs. There will come a time.
Mount Dog Everest, one face at a time.
Yeah.
Come on. Good boy. Get your bubba.
Ganda na si... Boy, magkukutsara ka pa?
Now it's hard to hear me over that jingle, huh? Cole, come.
Happy birthday, Angelica Vale. Oh, completing the
Who marked your scent on the wall? This mate's going wild.
What are you doing? Are you ready for bath time again? What are you doing?
The water's come out of here.
I am telling you. No, tonight, no. Tea is when I say. No.
Good girl.
No.
Are you okay?
Sure.
Let him.
What is the mango?
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, get in there.
Dog is giving please send help.
Coco? Don't leave him alone.
Others walk their geese.
Do you like it or no?
Hey! Daisy! Hey! Hey!
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
The screen.
Excited about its new tiny friend.
There's a fine line between cooperation and competition.
Game.
You got it, bud.
Good save.
Easy. Why are you leaning so hard?
Venga, vale, ya está. Ya está.
A julgar pela caminha ao lado, esse gato nunca teve um sono tranquilo. E nem parece que...
Doing?
Like this.
No, don't tell the kitty no. No.
What? Okay, what?
Go lay down. Go lay down. Bye.
If you want birthday belly rubs? Okay, show us your belly. Okay.
What happened? Come here. Come here.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang.
Now laugh.
Maybe cats used to being scarier than dinosaurs, and that's why this little girl is so confident.
Пуха, ну-ка стой, Пуха.
Тихо.
Это наш Пуха.
Ну подождите, он без вас поел. На Новый год несет гостиницу.
Let me assess the situation. Oh, no real danger. Handle it yourself. Bye.
The invisible trap card in the living room.
I got a video of that and I love that.
I wanna kill my mom! What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad! You just do the whisper.
Good boy. Good sit.
You're a weapon.
Who says you can't combine cardio and playtime? He's living proof.
He needs a running start, and it's absolutely adorable.
Brisket.
You got a kid on your back.
Puddle. Yeah, he can swim.
Show us your belly. Okay, okay. Belly rub!
Get it.
Showing signs of becoming incredible guardians.
This is for the babies.
One time, and now he's obsessed with it. That's what he's looking at.
yo vine fue a esto.
Boring people say color isn't important, but hey, my personal color is not pink.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Coco, the door's open. Just walk in.
Still not surprising when cats play as if their tail doesn't even belong to them.
I've never seen her act like this. Holy shit.
They say true friendship sees no differences, and these two are the perfect example.
You better fix my entire life, you little shit.
This.
Pretty big one. Oh!
Томился. Дрыхнет. Ой, испужался.
Her tail is just really cool.
Okay, don't eat her.
Come on, I promise I'll sit still this time.
You don't jump on my couch. You don't do that. It's a no-no.
No. Thank you. There's a good boy. Thank you.